In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The resolution of 21 disputes and feuds across several provinces by the Ministry for the Promotion of Virtue. The distribution of 1,000 food packages to 1,000 families in Pashto province. And Trump to visit China the following months. Welcome to our news package. It's Saturday, the 1st of Ramadan al-Mubarak, 1447, the 2nd of Hud, 1404, and the 21st of February, 2026. The news details. The Ministry for the Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice, and Hearing of Complaints has announced that its officials have resolved 21 dispute and long-standing feuds in the provinces of Balkh, Samangan, Nangarhar, Badghis, Bamiyan, Badakhshan, Zabul, Takhar, and Ghor provinces. Based on the ministry, the disputes stemmed from family disagreement, ethnic clashes, inheritance issues, and social misunderstandings. King Salman Humanitarian Aid and Relief Center has distributed food assistance packages to 1,000 needy families in the center of Pashto province and in Zormat district. The Embassy of Saudi Arabia in Kabul stated that the aid was delivered under the framework of Food Security and Emergency Assistance Project for Afghanistan for the year 2025 and 2026. The news continuation. The Ministry for Promotion of Virtue, Prevention of Vice, and Hearing of Complaints also report that its inspector rescued 3 women from domestic violence in the center of Samangan province. According to the ministry, the women had been deprived of their Sharia rights for several years. And ultimately, Reuters citing a White House official has reported that Donald Trump, the President of the United States, will travel to China next month. The reports state that Trump is expected to meet with Xi Jinping, the President of China, to discuss the extension of the trade truce and efforts to prevent further tariff increases between the two countries. According to the report, the visit is scheduled to take place from March 31st to April 2nd of the current year. The trip comes as Supreme Court of the United States has declared Trump's broad tariff on imported goods unlawful. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.